Okay, students, it was very clear from the given question that a traveling wave is described by the equation some y is equal to 0.05 sine of 8x minus 40. So, he is asking about the velocity. It was very clear that this question is from waves chapter. Which chapter that is? Waves. Waves. Okay, if you read the question, you could understand that because it was given here wave. Okay. Now, what we have to find out is that velocity. So, how to find velocity? Dear children, we have studied that velocity v in previous question also have used this formula, that is omega by k. So, our interest is to find out what is omega and what is k. Okay. So, any equation will be in the form of y is equal to a stands for amplitude sine of omega t minus kx. Okay, you have to say plus or minus kx like this. You could write this as y is equal to a sine omega t minus kx, this is one form, or y is equal to a sine kx minus omega t, this is other form. Okay. Now, let me read the question itself once again. So, it was given that y is equal to 0.05 sine of 8x minus 4t. So, just compare these both equations, my dear children, you get an idea. If you compare this both, you will get an idea. So, that is in place of k, 8 is there, in place of k, 8 is there, in place of omega 4 is there, in place of a 0.05 is there. So, let me write in place of a 0.05, in place of k it is 8, in place of omega it is 4, like this. Okay. So, now let me substitute velocity v is equal to omega by k, where omega is 4 and k is 8. So, by cancelling these two, so which is equal to 1 by 2. So, velocity v is equal to 0.5 meters per second, like this. So, with this we can say that option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct here. Okay. So, I hope, my dear children, you understand this. Now, let me go for the next one. Okay.